product bullet point add-on just displays this little check right here. You can even customize the icon and the location of the bullet point. If you want to turn on this add-on, just make sure to have it activated. Head to the theme settings, open up Debutify add-ons, and then locate product bullet points. Make sure that this is just checked on. If we jump into Chaos When, we can see this text is here. We can display this add-on through product type, product tags, the product itself, or the collection. And then under position settings, we can change its location. And if you're not using Debutify yet, get started today at debutify.com completely free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support inside the Debutify app.